Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down UnitedHealth Group's third quarter 2024 earnings call in under 4 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. The healthcare giant reported quarterly revenue of $101 billion, representing over 9% growth compared to last year. Both their Optum and UnitedHealthcare segments showed strong performance. Optum Health revenues grew by over $2 billion to nearly $26 billion, while Optum Rx revenues increased by more than $5 billion to over $34 billion. Optum Insight revenues remained stable at around $5 billion. The company narrowed their 2024 adjusted earnings outlook to $27.50-27.75 per share, reflecting some business disruption impacts and care pattern changes. Looking ahead to 2025, management indicated earnings could reach around $30 per share at the upper end of their likely guidance range. Several key factors impacted UnitedHealth's performance this quarter. They saw higher hospital coding intensity, with some entities increasing coding factors by over 20%. There were also timing mismatches between current Medicaid member health status and state rate updates. Additionally, they experienced accelerated prescribing of high-cost specialty medications, particularly for cardiovascular disease, autoimmune disorders, and cancer treatments. The company highlighted their continued focus on value-based care, with 4.7 million people now in value-based arrangements. Their Medicare Advantage plans for 2025 aim to preserve key benefits like $0 primary care visits despite funding pressures. Commercial enrollment remains strong, with over 2.4 million new members added through Q3. Technology initiatives are gaining momentum, with AI being deployed to improve clinical documentation, consumer service, and software development. The company also launched a national gold card program expected to reduce prior authorizations by 500,000 annually. The Change Healthcare cyber recovery is progressing, though some business disruption costs of about 75 cents per share are expected for 2024. Management expects these impacts to decrease by roughly half in 2025 as transaction volumes continue rebuilding. Cash flow generation remains robust with $14 billion in operating cash flow for Q3, or 2.2x net income. Year-to-date, they've returned $9.6 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases while investing $11 billion in strategic opportunities. Looking ahead, UnitedHealth remains focused on balancing near-term challenges with long-term growth investments. While 2025 faces some headwinds from Medicare rate cuts and IRA impacts, management emphasized their commitment to their 13 to 16% long-term earnings growth target while continuing to invest in key growth pillars across the enterprise. That wraps up our recap of UnitedHealth Group's third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way. From Earnings Central.